We're here in West Bloomfield, Michigan, a suburb of Detroit. We're here to bring some order to the lives of Betsy and Kurt Schneider, at least to their bedroom closet. They've asked for some help in making the most of the space they have.
There's no order to it, there's no structure to it. There's just something to hang and then a few shelves to put some things away, and I really need more order so I can find things and put things away better. And
it's really in need of a little organization.
come on into my closet.
Oh,
you go.
Nice big closet. Yeah, lots of possibilities here, guys. You got quite a bit of wasted space. We can make this a lot better. You going to keep all the shoes?
Every single one
Every
of them?
single pair?
Every single one of them, yes.
Okay, special shoe storage there,
You
okay?
bet, you bet.
All right, let's grab some clothes
Great.
and take these out, and then we'll get started.
Thank you.
Sure we can't eliminate some of these shoes?
None, I need them all.
Come on, climb me up here, okay.
I'll grab a handful here,
They're
too.
all
Everyone?
going.
Okay.
There you
Okay,
go.
just one more.
Trip number one.
Okay.
You haven't worn this dress in a long time.
I'm still keeping it. All right.
Oh, these ties. I
Oh,
probably wear
clean
like,
those out.
probably wear like 4 of
I
these.
think you should clean those out. Excuse me.
Now let's take all of this shelving out of here, all right?
Okay.
Okay.
Starting with this, if you just pop this with your hand, I think it's going to come
All
out.
right.
Yeah, that's actually cut in 2 pieces. Push it out all the way. A muscle,
There we go.
okay?
There you
You should
go.
just drop that out there, Kurt. Okay.
All right.
Let's pull that one out, Betsy. Yeah, take this end out first. Okay. Push it up. All the way up. Okay. We're free on this end. Kurt, are you still attached?
Yeah, I'm still attached.
Okay. Not any hole in the wall stop me. Or you guys either.
No
That's
way.
all right.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, pull it off. And now
Okay.
drop it down. Drop it down. That'll release the nails on the end over there. There you go.
All right.
Okay. All right, now you guys know what to do?
Sure do.
We'll take it from here.
This one's all yours.
Okay,
Okay.
thanks.
Put it in. Okay.
Got it?
Got it.
Okay.
All right. No
Yeah.
splinters.
Now we want to scrape off these ridges right here where the paint was sort of up next to that wood that we just took off. This is a paint scraper, nice and sharp. This will do a good job of knocking that right down. Okay, Kurt, give it
All
a
right,
try on this wall
give
over
it a shot.
here. There you go.
Okay.
Hey, Betsy, come on over here. I want to have you do the patching
Okay.
here. Let me just show you a couple of quick things here. This is spackle, interior spackle. The idea is you want to press this, you're keeping your knife kind of flat, you want to press this into the hole so it goes all
Okay.
the way to the bottom. And then holding your putty knife on about a 45-degree angle, just take off the top like that so you're not leaving any excess on here, okay?
Okay.
Why don't you
I'll
try it over
that.
here?
All right.
Try right in here.
Okay.
Sorry. Okay, press it in the hole. Good. And then, excellent. Once the spackle is dried and we've sanded off the high spots, Betsy and Kurt roll on a coat of paint to conceal the wall repairs.
Let's try.
So finally, we're ready to put up the shelves. You believe it? It's dark outside.
Great.
I know.
I'm ready.
A lot of
It
prep
is
work
Let's do
time.
it.
here. Okay. Anyway, this is a completely adjustable shelving system we're going to install today, which means you can adjust it up and down and sideways. And it all starts with this hanging strip up here. So what I'm going to ask you to do, if you can hold this
Sure.
end of it, Kurt. And you were anticipating
There
my
you
needs there,
go.
Betsy.
All right.
You hold this end over here.
Sure.
We're going to attach this to the top plate. Now, there's a horizontal 2x4 running right along the ceiling up here in most homes, and we're going to screw into that. This is about a 2-inch number, oh gosh, at least a number 12 screw there, maybe even a 14. We're going to go right up here. I pre-drilled a little hole here because the wood is so dry in this house. There we go. Okay, now we're going to put one of these every 8 inches along this strip.
Yeah. It's
Now, what makes this system by Closet Made so adjustable is this little adapter right here. It goes
Okay.
into the top of the shelf standard, just clips right in here. And then this clips over that rail that we just put up a moment ago. You see, now this can slide back and
I
forth
see.
like this. You can position this standard anywhere.
So you
We
can
could change
adjust
that.
the width of the shelves.
Absolutely. And they can be up to 24 inches apart. Into this standard goes this shelf bracket. I'll just put this up here temporarily. And then eventually, on the bracket, will go the shelf.
Oh, okay.
Great. I see how it works.
Now we want to keep these from swinging side to side, so we're going to put a screw in down here. Not to take the weight, because that's all borne by the hang track up on top, but just to make sure that these are not going to move side to side. So let's let's find level here. There we go. And we'll take them all, just put a mark right in here. Okay, let's see if you can hold it. Actually, hold it back over this side if you would.
Okay.
All right. Now we'll drill a 1/4-inch hole here. Drop it in plastic anchor. Swing this back over, put a screw through here, and drive it in. Betsy has the rest of the screws installed in a matter of minutes. Next step, attach the shelf supports to the standards. Now here's where Betsy and Kurt have to decide how to set their closet up so that it best meets their needs. With the standards in place, the shelves can be set on top and locked into position. A bolt cutter makes cutting the shelves a snap. All right. Now let me just point out something here. These ends, once you've cut these, are very rough. They can tear your clothes. So you get these little plastic caps. They should come with your shelving. They slip right over the cut end just like that. Give you a nice finished detail. For shoe storage, these triangular-shaped plastic brackets support upside-down shelves. The upturned shelf lip keeps shoes from sliding off.
Up here.
All that's left now is to snap the hanging rods in place and roll in our sliding basket storage. Can you believe it? We've turned closet chaos into closet order in a matter of hours. Betsy, Kurt, this is fantastic. Look at the extra room you've got here. Half the shelves we put in you aren't even using right now.
This is wonderful.
And you've got a whole hanging rack over here that you haven't used yet. So listen,
Wonderful.
I just want to say it was a pleasure working with both of you. You know, you did a
Thank
great
you,
job, really. Very
Thank you so
gratifying
much
to me.
for your help.